Hello everyone. Let's discuss about the objective MCQs question and answers of set 2 and set 3 today. Set 1 is already done. We have done in a video. Already in previous video we have done set 1. Now let us do set 2 and set 3 objective questions of mathematics standard question paper for the academic year 23-24. Here we can see section A is completely multiple choice questions, 20 marks. This is set 2 question paper. In this first question is sin theta is equal to 1. Then find the value of 1 by 2 sin theta by 2, 1 by 2 sin theta by 2. So here we know that it is given sin theta is equal to 1. We know that sin theta value is 1 at angle 90 degrees. So what we can do? We can write sin theta is equal to sin 90 degrees, that indicates theta is equal to 90 degrees. Now this theta is equal to 90 degrees should be substituted in the question. 1 by 2 into sine of 90 by 2, which is 1 by 2 into sine 45 degrees, that is 1 by 2 into sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. So finally that result is 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 is option A. First question is option A. Now question number 2. In question number 2 they are asking to find the ratio of total surface area of solid hemisphere and square of its radius. What is the total surface area of a solid hemisphere? Total surface area of a solid hemisphere is 3 pi r square and square of its radius is r square. So if we cancel these two, because it is ratio, we can cancel like this. Then we get the ratio r square, here r square 1. So the ratio will be 3 pi is to 1. 3 pi is to 1. Which option? Option C is correct. Question number 2, option C is correct. Now let's see question number 3 and 4. Question number 3. Question number 3 is from circles. So here if we observe in question number 3, in the figure you can observe that we have tangents. PQ is a tangent from P to the circle and AP is also a tangent. So these two are equal. Similarly again AP is equal to PR because these are also tangents from an external point to the circle. So PQ is equal to AP because they are tangents from external point to the circle. Similarly PA is equal to PR. They are also tangents from external point to the circle. So what we can write here? PA is equal to PQ is equal to PR, but it is given PA is equal to 4.2. So all the three will be equal to 4.2 centimeters. All the three are equal to 4.2 centimeters. Now we want, they are asking to find QR. So QR is equal to, what we can write? QR is equal to PQ plus PR. So PQ plus PR, which is nothing but 4.2 plus 4.2, that is 8.4 centimeters. 8.4 centimeters. Now let's see next question. Question number 4. In question number 4, question is about a quadrilateral, and in that quadrilateral we want a sector area. What is the area of a sector formula? Area of a sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. But we don't know theta here. In question also it is not given. Angle A is not given. But by using angle sum property of quadrilateral we can find out angle A. What is that? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. In this we don't know angle A, but remaining we know. Angle B is 60 degrees, angle C is 90 degrees, angle D also 90 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. That is angle A plus sum of these 360 plus 90 is 240 is equal to 360 degrees. So that we can write angle A is equal to 360 minus 240 degrees, which is 120 degrees. Angle A is equal to 120 degrees. Then we can use the formula area of a sector. What is area of a sector? Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here we got theta as 120, 120 by 360 into pi into r square, 3 square. Here 121 is a 123 is a 3 ones are 3 3 is a 9 because 3 square is 9, 3 3 is a 9. So finally we got 3 pi. So which option is correct? 3 pi. Option A is correct. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded is nothing but area of sector. We got it. Now coming to next question. Question number 5. Here question number 5 about statistics. Question number 5 is from statistics. So here they are asking to find which is correct, which option is correct. We know the mean. In this we know mean. What is mean formula? Sum of observations by number of observations. So sum of observations is what? 6 plus 7 plus p plus 8 plus q plus 14 by how many number of observations are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 observations are there. By 6 is equal to 9. Then we have to add this 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 8 21, 21 plus 14 35, 35 plus p plus q is equal to 9 into 6 after transposing 6 that side. So p plus q is equal to 54 minus 35. P plus q is equal to 54 minus 35. How much? 14 minus 5 9. Then 4 minus 3 1. So P plus Q is equal to 19. P plus Q is equal to 19 is which option? Option B is correct. Question number 5, option B is correct. Now see question number 6. At some time of the day, the length of the shadow of a tower is equal to its height. Then the sun's altitude at that time is. This is applications of trigonometry. Whenever this type of question comes, we have to draw a figure. And here we know that height of the tree is equal to length of the shadow. These two are equal. When opposite side and adjacent side are equal, we remember angle as 45 degrees. But you don't know. If you don't know, you can follow like this also. Because you know opposite and adjacent, we use tan theta. Tan theta is equal to x by x. Opposite by adjacent, that is 1. Tan theta is 1 at angle 45 degrees. So tan theta is equal to tan 45 degrees. So what we can write? Theta is equal to 45 degrees. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. So 45 degrees is correct. Option B. Option B is correct. Now coming to the next question, question number 7. In question number 7, it is about ratio of length of the arc to the circumference of the circle. Here most of these questions are already repeated in set 1 also, but anyway let's discuss here also what it is. Length of the arc we have to find out first, that is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, and the circumference is what? 2 pi r. We have to find out ratio of these two. So theta is given as 90, 90 by 360 into 2 pi r is to 2 pi r. Ratio of these two we have to find out. So 2 pi r is to 2 pi r cancel. 90 ones are 94 are. So we got 1 by 4 is to 1. 1 by 4 is to 1 is not there. So you can multiply both by 4. So 1 by 4 into 4 is to 1 into 4, which is 1 is to 4. Answer is 1 is to 4. So option B is correct. Now this one, question number 8, let's solve here. Question number 8. This is already repeated in set 1 also. Here take the second equation. In this, let's take the second equation, that is bx plus ay is equal to 0. From this, ay is equal to minus bx, then y is equal to minus bx by a. let it be one value. Now y is equal to minus bx by a should be substituted in the first equation. What is the first equation? Ax plus by is equal to a square minus b square. Now here we have to substitute the value of y. So that is ax plus b value is minus b by ax. B value is minus b by ax is equal to a square minus b square. So that is what we should take LCM. So here a will be multiplied a square x plus into minus minus b square x whole divided by a is equal to a square minus b square we get. Now in the numerator we have to take x common, then we get a square minus b square into x by a is equal to a square minus b square. Now if you transpose this value that side, a square minus b square into a by a square minus b square will become reciprocal. So this a square minus b square will be cancelled, x is equal to a. Now we should substitute this x is equal to a in this equation. Then we get y is equal to minus b by a into a because x is equal to a cancel. So y is equal to minus b. We want x plus y. X plus y is equal to x is a plus y is minus b. So a plus of minus b is what? A minus b. A minus b is the correct answer. A minus b is in option C. Right. Now that is question number 8. Now if we see question number 9, here we know AB is equal to AC. Why AB is equal to AC? Because they are lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to the circle. So these two are equal. When these two are equal, these two angles are also equal. Angle B should be equal to angle C because two opposite sides are equal. So this is also 42 degrees. Now we have to find out this angle. In a triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So we can take x plus 42 plus 42 is equal to 180 degrees. So what x plus 84 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 degrees minus 84 degrees. So x is equal to 96 degrees. X is equal to 96 degrees. 96 degrees is the correct option. Now let's see which option is correct here. 96 degrees. So 96 degrees is option A. 96 degrees is option A. So here it is option A. Now coming to question number 10, it is related to discriminant. We know discriminant is given as 16. And we know a is equal to 3 here, b is equal to minus 2 and c is c itself. We have to find c only. What is the discriminant formula? B square minus 4ac is 16. In this b is minus 2, so minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is c itself 16. So this is what? 4 minus 12 c is equal to 16. Now we have to transpose this 4 that side. Then we get, here I am writing, we get minus 12c is equal to 16 minus 4 minus 12c is equal to plus 12. Then c is equal to 12 by minus 12. Minus 12 plus 12 cancel, answer minus 1. So c is equal to minus 1, option C is correct. Now coming to this, question number 11 is about coordinate geometry. These all questions are repeated. Most of these questions are repeated. Here what we follow, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. We don't know D, so we take D as x comma y. Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint formula we have to use. So to use midpoint formula, what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint of AC is what? Minus 2 plus 8 by 2 comma 3 plus 7 by 2 is equal to, no, not 3 plus 7 by 2, 3 plus 3 by 2. You have to equate these two. Okay, minus 2 plus 8 by 2, 3 plus 3 by 2, 3 plus 3 by 2 is equal to b and d. We have to take b and d. 6 plus x by 2 comma 7 plus y by 2. So now we have to equate, this is 6 by 2 is equal to, this is equal to this value, no? So 6 by 2 is equal to 6 plus x by 2. So 2 cancel. 6 plus x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 minus 6. So therefore x is equal to 0. Similarly, 3 plus 3, 6 by 2 again. 6 by 2 is equal to 7 plus y by 2. Again 2 cancel. We know 7 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 7, y is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 0. So our point is 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma minus 1 is option B. 0 comma minus 1 is option B. That is question number 12. 11. Now question number 13. Two dice are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting odd number on both the dice is. Probability of odd number on both the dice. Total how many outcomes will be there? Sample space. 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, so on up to 6 comma 6. N of S is 36. Because total like that 36 outcomes will be there. We want favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes means in which both are odd numbers. They are 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5. Similarly, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Again next 3, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5. Total how many are there? 9 are there. So n of e is equal to 9. So probability is what? Probability is favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So 9 by 36. 9 by 36. So where do we have option 9 by 36? Option D. Option D is 9 by 36. So question number 12 is option D. Remember. Now question number 13. Question number 13 is from pair of linear equations. In pair of linear equations, we have to select a line such that both the lines represents parallel lines. So here A1 is 5, B1 is minus 3, C1 is 2. Only option D will give you that condition satisfied. What is the condition we have? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. This must be satisfied. Only that will be possible with third equation. 5 by minus 5 minus 15, 5 by minus 15, which is minus 1 by 3, b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is equal to what? Minus 3 by plus 9, which is again minus 1 by 3. c1 by c2 is equal to 2 by 5. So you can see minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 2 by 5. That means what? This condition is satisfied for option D. So option D is correct. Now coming to this, we have to find the value of EC. This is basic proportionality theorem related. So AD we know 4 and AB we know 9. AD is 4, AB is 9. That means we should know BD is 5 because 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is 5, this is 4. Similarly, we have to check this side also. This side total AC is given 13.5. Then what we have to do? Let AE as X. What we have to find? EC. So let's take EC as X. Then AE will become 13.5 minus X. AE will become 13.5 minus X. Now we can use basic proportionality theorem. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Then we get 4 by 5 is equal to 13.5 minus X by X. Cross multiplication, 4x is equal to 5 into 13.5 minus x. Then 4x is equal to 5 into 13.5 minus 5x. Transpose minus 5x here, we get 9x. 9x is equal to 5 into 13.5. X is equal to 5 into 13.5 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 1.5s. 9 1.5 is what? 13.5. So 5 into 1.5. 5 into 1.5 is 7.5. So what? 7.5 centimeters. EC is 7.5 centimeters. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Now coming to question number 15. Find the letters of the word mobile. From the letters of the word mobile, a letter is selected at random. The probability that the selected letter is a vowel. So you have to see how many vowels are there in this. 1, 2, 3. O, I, E. Vowels are 3. And total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 are there. So probability formula is what? Favorable by total. Favorable are 3, total are 6. So the probability is 1 by 2. So option C is correct. This is simple question. Now question number 16 is first chapter again. Prime factorization we have to do. 3825. Factorization of 3825 we have to see. By 5 table, 5 sevens are 35, 3 to 32, 5 6 are 30, again 2 5 25, 5 5 are 25. Again 5 table, 5 ones are 5, 25, 5 5 are 25, 1 5 15. So 5 3s are 15. Now again by using 3 table you can do now 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 table, 3 1s are 3 17s are 51. 3 17s are 51. So what we can write? 3 8 2 5 can be written as 3 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 2 into 17 to the power of 1. But it is given 3 to the power of x into 5 to the power of y into 17 to the power of 1. So that is equal to, we can equate it to 3 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 2 into 17 to the power of 1. So by this we understand 17 to the power of z it is. By this we understand x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 1. Now substitute x, y, z values in this. We get 2 plus 2 minus 2 into 1, which is 4 minus 2, which is 2. Answer 2. Answer 2 is option C. Option C is correct. Now question number 17. Let's see question number 17. In question number 17, a quadratic polynomial, one of whose zeros is 2 plus root 5. One zero is given as 2 plus root 5. Let's take it as alpha. So alpha is given it as 2 plus root 5. And one more, what it is given? The sum of whose zeros is 4. Alpha plus beta is given as 4. Then we have to find out the polynomial. So by from this, what is beta? Beta we can find out. 2 plus root 5 is 2 plus root 5 plus beta is equal to 4. Then beta is equal to 4 minus of 2 plus root 5. So beta is equal to 4 minus 2 minus root 5. 4 minus 2 minus root 5 is what? 2 minus root 5. So beta is what? 2 minus root 5. Beta is 2 minus root 5, alpha is 2 plus root 5. And what is alpha plus beta? Already sum of zeros is given 4. What is alpha into beta? 2 plus root 5 into 2 minus root 5, which is 2 square minus root 5 square. That is 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Now what is the polynomial formula? Polynomial formula is x square minus sum of zeros of x plus product of zeros. So x square sum of zeros is 4 minus 4x, product of zeros is minus 1 plus of minus 1. So finally x square minus 4x minus 1 is the correct answer. X square minus 4x minus 1 is option B. Option B is correct answer. Now let's see next one. Question number 19. Assertion and reasoning. Yeah, assertion and reasoning. Question number 19 is already in set 1 we have done. In set 1 we got it as circumference is given. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is given as 176. Then radius we have to find out. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 176. R is equal to 176 into 2 into 22 is 44. So 7 by 44 after transposing. Now if we cancel 11 fours are 11 ones are 11 six are. Again 4 ones are 4 fours are. So we get R is equal to 4 into 7. 4 into 7 is 28. R is equal to 28. They said circumference 176, radius 28. So assertion is true. We also got radius 28 only. And reason, what is the reason? Because circumference is 2 pi times of radius of a circle. Yes, we used the same formula, 2 pi times of radius of the circle. So assertion is true, reason is true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So 19th question is option A. Option A is correct. Now question number 20, again assertion and reasoning. Here in the question number 20, first point is about midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 1. That's true. Because it is a midpoint, it divides the line segment into two equal parts. Let's take A, B. If it is P, A to P, P to B, it will be same. So the ratio will be 1 is to 1 only. So that means what? Assertion is true. Assertion is true. Now coming to reason, we have to use section formula here. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. This is x, y. We have to check it whether we are getting the same answer or not. Or otherwise we can follow in another way also. We can find out x coordinate. What? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 if we find, we have to get minus 3 because here minus 3 is the x coordinate. What we can use? M1 we can use M1, M2 we can use 2. So 1 into x2 is minus 5, x2 is minus 2 plus M2 is 2. 2 into x1 is minus 5 by 1 plus 2. So what is this? Minus 2 minus 10 by 3. That is minus 12 by 3. That is minus 4. But is it minus 4? No, this is minus 3. So what? Ratio is not 1 is to 2. That means reason is false. Assertion is true, reason is false. Option C is correct. Hope you all understood the solutions of set 2 objective questions. Now let's see set 3. Now let's see the solutions of set 3 mathematics standard 23-24. Here what we do, whatever repeated questions are there, we skip those repeated questions because already some of the questions in set 1 set 2 we already discussed. Okay, some questions will be repeated in set 3 also. Those except repeated questions, remaining questions answers we will discuss. Section yes, this question we have seen in set 1. Set 1 already, one more video we have done. In that video we have done this. What? It is given that area of a sector. What is area of a sector? Formula theta by 360 into pi r square. So we have to equate that to formula. 60 pi centimeter square should be equated to theta by 360 into pi r square should be equated to 60 pi. Pi cancel. R value is given as 12. So theta into 12 square is 144 by 360 is equal to 60. So now we want theta. Theta is equal to 60 into 360 because we have to transpose 360 that side. 60 into 360 by 144 will be divided 144. Now 60 ones are 60. Directly we cannot divide by 60. So 12 table. 12 12s are 12 5s are. Again 12 ones are 12 30s are. So we get theta is equal to 5 into 30. 5 into 30 is 150 degrees. 150 degrees is option D. Now this one just now we have done when we discussed about section set 2. This is set 3 now. In set 2 already we discussed it. This option D is correct because A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2 is correct for option D. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is repeated in all the 3 sets. Question number 3, height of the tree is equal to length of the shadow. When height of the tree is equal to length of the shadow, we discussed already what? They both are equal. When they both are equal, angle will be 45 degrees. Now this is the new question. Y is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 7. How the two lines you have to know. Y is equal to 0 is nothing but x-axis only. What is the equation y is equal to 0 represent? Y is equal to 0 means it is x-axis. It is equation of x-axis. Y is equal to minus 7 means it is a line parallel to x-axis. That is not. Okay, here downwards. It is a line parallel to x-axis which passes through minus 7. This is what equation y is equal to minus 7. Now, how these two lines are parallel to each other? When they are parallel to each other, what is the correct solution? There will be no solution. There will be no solution because they are parallel lines. Y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 7 are parallel lines. Since they are parallel lines, there will be no solution. So option D is correct. Question number 5. The area of the square inscribed in a circle of radius 5 root 2 centimeters. So here what we have to do? Here what we have to do? Draw the circle and then try to find out. A square is inscribed in a circle that was not there in set 1 or set 2. So here what we have to draw the circle and draw a square inside the circle. In this what it is given, the radius of the square, radius is given, radius of the square is given 5 root 2. Then if you take 2 times, that will be the diameter of the circle, and diameter of the circle will be equal to the diagonal of the square. So this 10 root 2, this is 10 root 2. Then you can take a triangle outside like this, in which this is 10 root 2, and since it is a square, these two sides are equal, so you can take it as x and x. Now we can use Pythagoras theorem. We know x square plus x square is equal to 10 root 2 whole square. Then we get 2x square is equal to 10 square is 100 into root 2 square is 2. So 2x square is equal to 200 we get. So x square is equal to 200 by 2. So x square is equal to 100. We want x square only because we want area. What is area of a square? X into x, side into side. We have taken side as x. Area of a square we want. Area of a square is 100. We want 100. So what is the correct option? Option B is correct. This one already we discussed. These two are equal. AP is equal to PQ and AP is equal to PR. That means QP is equal to PR. And they both are equal to 4.2 because AP is 4.2. So 4.2 plus 4.2, 8.4. 8.4 is option C, I think. 8.4 is option C. Done. This is question number 6. Now let's move to question number 7. This is also done just now. Here question number 7, 42 degrees. We know AB is equal to AC, so this is also 42. 42 plus 42 plus this x, if you take, it should be 180. 42 plus 42, 84. That's why it is 96. So option A is correct. Now next question. Question number 2, identical solid cubes. This is different question. It did not come in the previous 2. So two identical solid cubes of side A are joined together. So let us take, this is one cube, this is another cube. Both are cubes here. When they both are joined together, what happens? This total will be length from here to here. This will be breadth. This will be height. Here, because side it is given it as A, side of the cube it is given as A. So B is equal to A, H is also A, but length will be A plus A, 2A. Now we have to find total surface area. Total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that is 2 into 2A into A plus A into A plus again A into 2A. That is 2 into 2A square plus A square plus 2A square, which is 2 into 5A square, that is 10A square. Option B is correct. 10A square, option B is correct. Now, this question was given in the question number 9 was given in the set 1. Here what it is given, LCM and HCF of two numbers are given. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So product of two numbers is what? 65 into 104. What we know, LCM is 40x into HCF is 13 is equal to 65 into 104. So x is equal to 65 into 104 by 40 into 13. 13 ones, 13 fives, 5 ones, 5 eights, 8 ones, 8 13s. X is equal to 13. Option B is correct. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is also given in the set 1. That is about probability. Here what it is given, sum of probabilities of complementary events it is given. Sum of probabilities of complementary events. We know P of E plus P of E bar. P of E bar is equal to 1, but it is given Q. That means what? We have to take Q is equal to 1. They are asking to find Q square minus 4. That means 1 square minus 4. 1 square is 1 only. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So option A is correct. Now this is done just now in the previous set, and it is also done in set 1 also. So here what we got answer, 7.5. I don't want to simplify it again because already we have done it. It is 7.5. Now the question number 12. Question number 12 is polynomials. In polynomials, very simple question it is. We have to find out P of 1 plus P of 4. P of 1 is 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6 plus 4 square minus 5 into 4 plus 6. So that is 1 minus 5 plus 6 plus 16 minus 20 plus 6, which is this is 1 minus 1 plus 7, 1 plus 6 7, 7 minus 5 2, plus this is 16 plus 6 22, 22 minus 22, 2 plus 2 4. So option B is correct. Question number 13. Question number 13 just now we have done already, that is 0 comma minus 1. Only 0 comma minus 1 will give us the midpoints of AC and BD will be same. Previously just now we have done it. We got there 0 comma minus 1. Option B is correct. And this one, it was given in set 1. It is given mode minus median is equal to 24. We want median minus mean. We have a formula. What? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Here you transpose median here, then we get mode minus 3 median is equal to minus 2 mean. Now we have to write it as mode minus median minus 2 median. This one minus 3 median, we have to write it as minus median minus 2 median is equal to minus 2 mean. Now in this place we can substitute 24. So we get 24 because mode minus median is given as 24. So 24 minus 2 median is equal to minus 2 mean. Now 24 we have to transpose that side, or minus 2 median you transpose that side. We get 24 is equal to minus 2 mean plus 2 median. Now we have to take 2 common. So if you take 2 common, we get median minus mean. Now transpose to the side, 24 by 2 is 12. So we get median minus mean is equal to 12. So which option? Option A is correct. Option A, question number 14. Now question number 15, sum of 3 terms of arithmetic progression. Sum of 3 terms of arithmetic progression, whenever it comes, we have to take it as A minus D as one term, A as one term, A plus D as one term. We have to add all the 3. A minus D, A plus D. Sum of 3 terms it is given 30. In this minus D plus D will be cancelled. We get 3A. 3A is equal to 30. So A is equal to 30 by 3. 30 by 3 is 10. So A is equal to 10. That means what? Middle term is 10. Option B is correct. Now the probability of throwing a number greater than 2 with a fair die. What are the numbers when you throw a single die? Sample space is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are the numbers greater than 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means what? 3, 4, 5, 6 are greater than 2. Favorable are 4 and total are 6. So the probability is 4 by 6. Option is not there. We have to cancel 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is option A. Now here question number 17, polynomial is given. We have to find out the value of y. This is also simple. From polynomials we have to substitute the value of y in the given equation. So what? P of 1 square plus P of 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. That is P plus 3 is equal to 0. 2P plus 3 is equal to 0. So P is equal to minus 3 by 2. Option C is correct. Now question number 18. We have to find the value of theta here. 2 sine square theta by 2. 2 sine square theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 it is given. So if you transpose 2, that side will be divided. Sine square theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Sine square theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Sine theta is equal to root of 1 by 4. Sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. Root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Sine theta is 1 by 2 at angle theta at 30 degrees. So sine theta is equal to sine 30 degrees. So theta is equal to 30 degrees. Theta is equal to 30 degrees is the correct option. Now assertion and reasoning. Question number 19. Question number 19, just now we have seen assertion is true but reason is false. Option C. Assertion is true, reason is false. Option C. Question number 20, assertion is true, reason is true, and as reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option A. So these are the answers of both set 1, set 2, set 3. Already set 1 is done previously in another video. If you want, you can check in that. These are set 2 and set 3. You can check your marks, how many you scored in objective. Hope it will help you to find out how many marks you scored in objective. Next I'll try to come with another video in which case study and some other questions I'll try to show so that you can check how many you have done correct. Thank you.